Today I'm revealing the top 5 best tow straps for trucks that are actually worth buying on Amazon in 2026. Because not all straps are made equal, and when your truck is stuck in mud, snow or sand, you really don't want the cheap ones snapping on you. I found 5 of the most popular, highest rated options, from heavy flat straps to kinetic ropes, and I'm ranking them from number 5 to number 1, so you know exactly which one to get for your truck. All the links I found are down in the description if you want to check current prices. Alright, let's jump into it. Starting at number 5, we have the all-top tow strap, and this one is kind of crazy popular. It is literally number 1 bestseller in towing winch recovery straps on Amazon, with over 3,600 ratings and a 4.8-star average. So yeah, people are buying this a lot. I found this is a complete kit, not just a strap. You get the 3-inch by 30-foot strap, you get 2 heavy-duty 3/4-inch forged D-ring shackles, and you get a heavy-duty tool bag to keep it all in. So you do not have to buy shackles separately. What makes it different is the material. This is 100% nylon N66, genuine 22% elongation. Feel the kinetic snatching force, they say, and you really do. Unlike cheap polyester that has no stretch, this one stretches like a rubber band and then slingshots the stuck vehicle out. That is way better for recovery. Less shock on your truck frame. It is rated at 35,000 pounds braking strength, and they actually have a lab test report available. They say they destruct test 1 out of every 100 straps, and their last test reached 36,259 pounds. That is over the rating, which is reassuring. Pros: complete kit with shackles and storage bag. Real 22% kinetic stretch for snatching. Lab tested, overrated braking strength. High visibility orange, easy to spot. Cons: bulkier to store than rope design. Nylon needs drying after wet use. Okay, number 4 is the AUTOBOTS Kinetic Tow Strap. And if you have never used one, this changes everything. This is the AUTOBOTS kit. 1 inch by 30 foot. 48,500 pounds maximum braking strength and 16,166 pounds workload limit. I found this because a lot of truck guys are switching from flat straps to kinetic ropes for off-road recovery. Why? Elasticity. This one has 35% high elasticity. Compare that to 22% on the all-top. That is a huge difference. During a kinetic energy recovery pull, the resistance of the stuck vehicle is overcome by the rope's elastic potential energy. It transforms into kinetic energy and gives you a smooth, efficient extraction instead of a violent jerk. It is made from 100% nylon 66 double braid. Quality over compromise. No cost cutting. And the best part? It comes with 1 1/2-inch by 22-inch synthetic soft shackles, not metal D-rings. Soft shackles have a protective cover to defend against abrasion. They easily handle difficult towing points, and they will not scratch your paint or damage the finish. And they will not become a deadly projectile if something fails. That is a massive safety win. Pros: massive 35% stretch for smooth pull. Soft shackles, safer than metal D-rings. Reflective strips for nighttime safety. No paint damage, protects truck finish. Cons: not ideal for flat pavement towing. Rope needs careful cleaning after mud. Number 3 is the Keeper Tow Strap. I found this is designed for emergency vehicle towing and recovery. The strap features 6-inch high-test abrasion-resistant webbing that will not rust, rot or mildew. It is a great chain alternative, lightweight, portable, and can be easily stored. But do not let lightweight fool you. This is rated for 30,000 pounds maximum vehicle weight with a 60,000 pound braking strength. So if you drive a heavy-duty truck, F250, F350, Ram 2500, diesel, or you pull tractors, farm equipment, this is what you want. That extra width, 6 inches versus the usual 3 inches, it spreads the load so it does not cut into your bumper or recovery points. It has loop ends, no hooks. I actually prefer that. Hooks can bend and break. Loops are safer. You just use your own shackles. Now, is it overkill for a Tacoma or a light Colorado? Yeah, totally. It is heavy, it is bulky, it takes up space. But if you have a big truck and you want absolute peace of mind that your strap will not be the weak link, this is it. Pros: strongest flat strap at 60,000 pounds. Extra wide 6-inch webbing spreads load. High-test webbing won't rust or rot. Loop ends safer than metal hooks. Cons: overkill for small trucks and SUVs. Heavy and takes more truck bed space. Number 2 is the AUTOBOTS Tow Strap. And this one is really smart for truck owners. Because it does not just give you a strap and shackles, it gives you a 2-inch shackle hitch receiver that goes right into your truck's hitch. So many trucks do not have good rear recovery points, right? This solves it. So you get 100% nylon snatch tow strap, at least 22% stretch, triple enhanced eye loops, protector sleeves. And the specifications say tow strap 35,000 pounds. Brake strength and operating temperature from -40 Fahrenheit to 215 Fahrenheit. So you can use it in deep snow or desert heat. It behaves the same. It is suitable for boat, pickups, all-terrain vehicle, sport utility vehicle, utility terrain vehicle, trucks, can tackle any tough towing tasks. Will get you out of any situation, they claim. What I like is it is a full recovery kit. You get the strap, the upgraded shackle hitch receiver, and shackle hooks. So you are literally ready to pull right out of the box. I found a lot of reviews from Jeep and truck guys saying they pulled full-size trucks with this easily. Pros: includes hitch receiver for truck hitch, 22% kinetic stretch snatch action, triple reinforced loops with sleeve protection, all-weather -40 to 215 rated. Cons: hitch receiver adds extra kit weight. Only orange color option available. Number 1. Rhino USA Recovery Tow Strap. This is engineered for maximum strength and durability. It is crafted from high-strength polyester, not nylon. And that is actually important to understand. Polyester is an ultimate static strap. Weather-resistant, ensures long-lasting performance, superior strength. It is used for flat recovery, ideal for towing or pulling vehicles that are stuck on flat surfaces, providing a reliable solution without damaging them. So less stretch than nylon, more control when you are flat towing on road. But it still has impressive weight capacity and triple reinforced ends. High tensile loop ends provide protection against wear and tear, abrasion, and load stress, ensuring durable and secure connection points when recovering. Distributes the load evenly. It is used for trucks, recreational vehicles, construction equipment, utility terrain vehicle, all-terrain vehicle, Jeep. Compatible with everything. 50 plus bought in past week just for the 20-foot version. The 30-foot is even more popular for trucks because you want that distance. Pros: most trusted brand. Lifetime warranty. Lab tested, 31,518 pounds, proven strength. Triple reinforced ends prevent wear failure. Ideal for flat towing and recovery control. Cons: less kinetic stretch than nylon ropes. Pricier than generic budget straps. If you want the best overall tow strap for your truck that will do everything, daily peace of mind, off-road, towing a buddy, get the Rhino USA. If you want a complete kit with a hitch receiver included, so you don't have to buy anything else, get the AUTOBOTS. If you drive a heavy diesel or pull super heavy stuff and you want pure brute strength, the Keeper. If you do a lot of mud, sand, snow, off-roading, and you want the smoothest, safest recovery, get the Kinetic. The soft shackles and 35% stretch are a game changer. And if you want the best value full kit with real kinetic nylon stretch that is a bestseller for a reason, the All Top. Hopefully this helped you decide which tow strap to keep in your truck. Links to all 5 are in the description if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.